got my one thing. Hold on. Here we go. Y'all, here, plug me in, babe. Look at him. Okay. Plug me in. Chicken nuggets everywhere. Chicken nuggets everywhere, y'all. He's still on a penny. I might need to get on a penny. Okay, babe. All right, we getting $10 at least. He got the hot machine, Rick. That's what's going on. I haven't even really got to play that machine I was on, y'all. Cause he been so hot over here on $1. Save it, David. Save it. Ah, David didn't save it. That's good for $1 though.